Want to be a Shinkaizer? Have influence, gain rewards in a community? Here's how you join the Shinkai Ambassadors Program 2.0 step by step. First, go to the Ambassadors Program official site at identity.shinkai.com. To get registered, you'll first need to connect your wallet, so click the reddish-pink button and let's get started. A pop-up will appear with a few wallet options. Just pick the one you already use. From there, just follow the on-screen steps to finish connecting. Some wallets might ask you to scan a QR code with your phone. Next, you'll see the Opt-in to Earn section. Start by linking your email to verify your address. Once that's done, connect your Discord to join the community. After both are linked, you can finally opt in and get ready to start contributing. To explore the active quests for the community, just go ahead and click the Explore Quests button. You'll land on your first quest. From there, just dive in, complete quests, earn rewards, and start contributing to the community as an official Shinkaizer.